In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a Costco membership in the UK, navigating through the process smoothly and efficiently. Whether you are looking to make some savings by buying in bulk or want to explore the wide range of products they offer, obtaining a membership is your first step. Let's start by heading over to the official website. Open up a browser of your choice and type in www.costco.co.uk/membership. This will take you directly to the membership page, where you'll find all the information you need about the different membership options available in the UK. Now, there are three types of memberships you can choose from: the Gold Star, Business, and Executive Gold Star. Each membership type has its own benefits and fees, so take a few moments to consider which one best suits your purchasing needs. The Gold Star membership is perfect for personal use, while the Business membership is tailored for business purchases, offering additional perks like early warehouse access. If you're keen on maximizing your savings, the Executive Gold Star membership might be the ideal choice, as it offers extra rewards on your purchases. Once you've decided which membership option is right for you, go ahead and begin the application process by selecting it. You'll be prompted to fill in your personal details. This step is crucial because it helps Costco set up your membership account accurately, so ensure that all information entered is up to date and correct. Typical details required will include your full name, address, and contact information. The form will guide you step by step, making it fairly straightforward to complete. Just follow the prompts and make sure you review each section before moving on to the next. After completing your personal details, you'll find that some membership types might require proof of eligibility, especially if you're applying for the Business membership. Be prepared to provide any necessary documentation to prove your credentials. Once you have filled in all your personal information and uploaded any documents, proceed to the checkout page to finalize your membership. Here, you will enter your payment information. Costco accepts various forms of payment, so pick the one that is most convenient for you. It's always a good idea to double-check your payment details to avoid any errors. Upon successful payment, you should receive a confirmation of your membership. This typically comes in the form of an email, so keep an eye on your inbox, including your spam or junk folders, just in case. This email will include all your membership details and any additional instructions you might need to start shopping. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to applying for a Costco membership in the UK. With your membership ready, you can now enjoy the diverse range of products and exclusive savings that Costco has to offer.